That was fun. Okay. ES is draining at the 1-day min. Qs are already under the 1-day. CPU. Who's headed to Versace? Are we? We're still freaking red today. $4. What the hell is that? China's losing a PCSA. I'm watching it. Just needs to get back like over 8. Luke, you are on something today. All right, this MDLN is actually moving somewhat like a stock. So maybe we need to watch this. 3640. Oh, you're gonna fail now. This is where you put the brakes on. All right, we're finally in the green. After once again being down $2,000 to start the day, we're finally in the green. IRBT. I actually took it off my watch list, but it is something I would be interested in. Maybe that 91.3. This breaks. Maybe, right? MDLN still chooching. Okay. And I covered that core wave at like the perfect spot. Roger cheese. Damn. That's quite the pop. Not really sure what set that off. Well, $37.50 break here. This is real cute what the Bollinger Band is doing on E-Trade. I feel like the market's going to bounce here. Eventually. I mean, it could still test downside one more time. I don't know, but I feel like it could. I'm just saying, cheese. As soon as I buy it. Oh, like, oh yeah, surely it's not going to break 37 now. Within a millisecond, boom, broke 37. And we're back to red. Oops. I just missed it. I was not paying attention. Just missed my entry. Damn. Speculation on PZZA. Chief corporate officer is left. I want to go down on that news. Spreads? What are we doing here? I'm missing my MDLN on this. Yeah, just hammer the bid. So why not? I completely missed MDLN. Oh my gosh. Okay. Roger Cheese. And criminals. Oh my gosh, MDLN hiding. Well, it got me green. Another question, can I exit and stay green? Ah, yes. There we go. The old Dickarooski. And it's gone. It's 37 again. 30-second chart on this MDLN has been pretty good. Actually, that took me red, didn't it? Yep. Old Dickarooski. Market getting that one more push downside here, kind of channeling a bit. We start breaking these levels, it's going to get ugly. Where's Time Taker and his follow the gamma bullshit? Follow the gamma. Which way is it going, Time Taker? Give me your crystal ball. Big jump in repo. Things playing around here at this 3650. Got a bit of a wedge on the 30-second going on here. Wonder if we can play the. Yeah, there's buyers still here. Don't push now. Don't push now that I'm in it. Don't you dare push now that I'm in it. If it holds 37, then we Gucci. 37.10 would be real Gucci. That's a W. Okay, we real 20-cent spread. Okay. Go high day. 37.50. Give it to me. 5-minute Cox, 37.46. 37.10's my level right now. All right. See what we can do now. Playing with that 37.10. Reclaimed it. Oh, yeah. Stop me out, and then you're going to go, you piece. Stackers, I saw that. I saw that. What clip is this?
Because the juice are so juicy, juice, that the yams are so thicky, thick. And Daddy Warbucks makes that.
It's a good clip. You know what? That's what we're going to do. We got time. I'm going into, I haven't been in here in a while. I have no idea what's in here. There might be nothing. I'm going to go into Discord. Oh, by the way, I saw this.
100% Club Champion ring doesn't just shine, it transforms. Gold melts, diamonds drift, and a sneaker worthy of the spotlight rises. This is the Stock Jock bowling shoe, reimagined with full-blown bling. Crystal
I saw
wrapped
this.
midsoles, gemstone eyelets, glitter-infused outsoles.
I saw that. Mutant Discord. Where the hell is it?
Hey, I caught a possum. Bet you didn't have that on your bingo card today.
It's classic.
Say hi, Mr. Possum.
It's classic.
You push the sell button. So you make sure you're on, like for me, if I want to sell these, which I will not be doing right now, make sure you have your strike and your date, and then you just make sure.
This is that guy that said, how do I sell the calls I just bought? That's the most degenerate thing I've ever heard in my life.
Yeah, that's the thing. I used to know an old guy that, I mean, he had just an absolute bush. That is the most degen that is the most degen thing I think I've ever had to answer.
Oh,
my friend.
Oh, it's still playing.
I applaud you. And never leave this chat ever. We need people like you. How do I sell a call I bought? I love it. I freaking love it.
The things you freaking clip. dip and rip 5 minute 37.25 level here on this MDLN. Stackers. No, I didn't, because you never freaking had a name I could click on. I could never find it. Did you figure it out? I'll try again right now. At stack. Oh my gosh, there he is. I assume that's you? Unless it's an impersonator. Wait, those stock jocks in your Discord. Yeah, there's a lot of impersonators. If they're asking you, if they're DMing you, that's not me. I never initiate DMs. Boom, you're in. There it is, stackers. You will now have access to the 100% club. Jeez. Wait, what? Where does this shit come from? Over 37.20 is a 30-second cock. Really need this MACD to flip up for us. Oh my gosh, this guy. Oh, that's another thing I wanted to do. That you guys clip shit all the time. And I used to pay people to edit my clips. I was thinking, why don't we make this easy? Once a day, hang on, let me not miss this train. Once a day, I will pick one of the clips from the day. Doesn't matter how good or bad it is. I will probably I'm going to pick the best one, but the best one could be shitty because it could be a shit day and I'm just full of shit. And whoever that is will get a free sub from me. Let me ask you this. I don't know the answer to this. Can you gift subs to people that are already subbed? So like extending their sub. No, idiot. Well, Dragon Slater literally said yes. You say no, idiot. Seba says I believe so. I mean, see, I don't know. Kinda. Okay. This is just... I have something you can extend. Okay. Give me a sub and then try to give me another. Or I could just do $5. Gifted sub for $5. And all you guys I did is do what you always do anyway. The stipulation would only be it has to be edited for vertical. You know, when you guys do the clip, you get to line up the cameras for vertical. I mean, that would be kind of required. Just spend 2 seconds and get the little boxes in the right spot. But other than that, Ooh, nope, fail. Right up to 24. Broke and nothing. All right, I'm out. Well, I want it to be a daily thing. I don't want it to be like an end of the month thing. I'm not big enough to where I could reward, you know, I don't have enough people here that would spend the time to try to win the end of the month reward. Type out what you want. I just need the best clip that was properly edited, right? So it looks good on the vertical, not horizontal, on the vertical. So yeah, I mean, it's $5. It could be a ETF me in the ass entry. It could be a $5 to you via PayPal or sub. Yeah, the guy I currently use was $5 a video. Literally, it takes, and that's like edited. It doesn't take long to do these things. But I haven't done it in forever because the trading has been ass, and I just and when it got better, I just forgot to make clips to send them. We'll start clipping. I'm gonna start. $5 is going to the winner every day. I think that's an easy way. It's a win-win for everybody. I get the clip exposure. You guys get $5 for doing what you already do, is taking stupid clips of me. Go clip my Vader hat reveal. Ass blasted.
Been selling Christmas trees for the last month now and people are tipping mad crazy. I think I am on like 3 to 4K in tips alone these past 3 weeks. Calls for December confirmed.
Jeez. What's up, Teddy31? Let's go, homie. I have noticed that everywhere you go that, you know, uses the Square terminal to do checkout, they all have a function on there, tip. Like everybody turns it on, right? It's like, I'm kind of getting offended. I'm like, just because you have that option does not mean I should be inclined or feel need to hit the clip button or hit the freaking buy button, the tip button. Did that break? Oh shit, it did break. And now it's gonna crash. SJ loves a good tip. I saw that. I saw what you said. Someone's pushing this. The bid needs to move up. Jeez, there's someone buying here. This needs to flip. Now what? Okay. Sellers win. Of course. Of course. Dip and rip, 30 second. 48 break is what I'm looking for. 37.48 now. Test this 25. One minute cock. I feel like I should add here. Oh my gosh. 10-cent spread, and they are just blasting the bid. And sellers 30. Somehow I cracked it too. Do it. Broke it somehow again. Some unlucky fool is getting filled over 37.50. $49. Okay, this is the moment. Again, filled over it. Oh, there we go. Still MACD is not flipped up. This is kind of crazy. Retest 37.50. Oh, jeez. Spreads. All right, we made money on it. Barely, but we made money on it. This is all TikTok. This thing's gonna moon hard. What are we doing here? Lambos and MDLN? Really? The TikTokers are all over it, huh? Tesla with a freaking nosedive here. eGPU. What are you doing? So this is actually kind of really bad here. We are failing these levels. This could get yucky real quick. So here's the one-day min on the Qs. We've been bumping our heads on this level. Now we're turning downside. SPY. This is the one-day min. This is similar to what Cheese was talking about. We were draining here, and now we've lost it. So if this continues, you could see a pretty nasty move. A play might be if this level gets reclaimed, and then we might chooch. But right now, no bueno. We actually had a squeeze here that might be firing to the downside. Yeah, something to keep an eye on. Don't trip, tip. That's one thing I wanted to look at is what does the weekly look like here? Not bad at all. I was just looking at, you know how my, oops. My kind of get out of the market sign is the 90 EMA on the weekly chart crossing out of the 21. Kind of happened here. Happened here, here. And that's usually my sign for big downturns that are going to happen. But I want to get better at timing when I should enter back in. So for instance, this time around, I exited here and I entered here. The 90 EMA crossed back up on the weekly chart. When it crossed back up, I went long here. But I was thinking maybe next time we get that cross, I switch to a daily chart and get in a little, maybe half when it crosses back up, which would have gotten me here around 580 or 540. Whereas my current entry was around 570. It's a big difference. So, I don't know. I think I'll do that next time. Maybe buy half a position on the daily and the other half on the weekly. yeah, this is getting ugly. Oogly. See what we can do here. Will gold break all-time highs today? I literally typed in ATH. Jeez. Sure looks like it's on its way to doing that. Wow. MDLN, nice cuck and go. Still haven't gotten the MACD. Where's the newsreader? He's still there. I'm just not allowed to stream that. When I have it on, it's just to give you all a taste, but I'm not allowed to like stream it. If you're interested in it, those are the links for it. But yeah, I'm not allowed to just like leave it on full blast. I know. I don't think they have an issue with me like occasionally streaming it. I don't know. I ain't trying to get in trouble. Again. I think they see there's a lot of turnover at Benzinga. Like people getting different jobs and moving around. I don't know if it's turnover, just moving around, whatever. There we go. But it's like whenever the next person takes over the affiliate, they go through everybody and see who needs to be kicked out and who needs to stay on. They check in on everybody, and if they see, oh, you're streaming Benzinga, they cut you off. They don't know anything about your history, because this is the second time it's happened to me. I got told I'm getting cut because I'm streaming it, when in reality I'm not. They just tuned in, the one time I had it going for a little bit. And then I have to explain myself, and they understand, and then they say, oh, you don't sell anything for us. I'm like, I literally pimp your stuff to the biggest audience that you have out there nonstop. It's your affiliate stuff doesn't keep track of things properly. So we have to do that dance. And then like, well, what do you mean? And I go, well, you changed affiliate providers. They used to be on, what did they used to be on? They're on a company called Impact now, but they used to be on something else. And that something else was great. They did a great job. It was great tools. It was easy. Then they moved to Impact and nothing works anymore. I was selling about $10,000 to $20,000 worth of Benzinga product a year. And it would show up under, what the hell was it called? I don't even know. And then they switched to Impact and it shows 0 for like 3 years now. They've been on Impact. But I'm still selling the stuff. Maybe something happened when you switched affiliate providers. And then we have to do that dance, and I have to show them the proof. It's like, see, this person signed up under me. Here's the email chain that shows that they signed up, or the DM chain that says, hey, they're saying, yeah, I bet you don't have this person under me, do you? So it's just, it's a dance, man. It's the third party these companies use is just complete ass. They shouldn't have ever switched. I don't know why they did. No one asked for the switch. When the market moves 24 hours a day next year, do you plan to trade, stream more? So work more is what you're saying? I don't really want to. We'll have to figure out the times that are still. So the problem with 24-hour trading is you think it's dead right now. Imagine all the volume on the day spread out 24 hours rather than 8. Like, that could be an issue. So I still think it's going to be a matter of when news comes out for companies. Like, if it's still going to be the same where news starts coming out at 8 o'clock, 8:30, 9, 9:30, 10, 10:30, then I don't think much is going to change. Because right now, all we're basically doing is trading stocks that have news. If news starts coming out at random ass times, 24/7, then it could be an issue. We'll only have Monday. Huh? I will say this. If more people have access to the 4 a.m. session, when probably bots turn off, I don't know, just because of, things are mostly illiquid, do the bots then turn on, or do we just get eventually time to play some stupid shit at 4 a.m.? I don't know. I don't know how it's going to affect things. Crypto is certainly tradable 24/7, but it's all computer bots, right? So I don't know. Yeah, but NVIDIA won't do that, announcing some news at 4 a.m. They want the headline to be seen by eyes at that moment. So I still think we're going to be in a news cycle environment where we're going to be trading when news is going to be released. I'll say this. It'll allow us to not just get absolutely double dick sideways because some company decided to announce an offering and we can't exit until 7 o'clock the next day. At least we'll be able to exit like in real time, or at least have a chance, unless they halt the stock, then that's different. But that's the only, there's positive to it. London close? I have no idea. Yeah, the tick ain't freaking out right now, and we're kind of bleeding out. I bet we bounce today. I bet we bounce. I saw it hit the scanners. LHAI. Oh, jeez. China shitter. Shit in the bed. PCSA still hanging around. MDLN, there it is. 38 break. So last time it broke the whole dollar level, the bid was right next to the ask. So when this gets to 99, it's probably, we're getting close. This gets to 37.99 is probably when it breaks. Another attempt. 10-cent spread. Oh, it was right on the break. Bid didn't move though. That was weird. Oh, now it goes. Let's take a look at Tesla. I see a lot of y'all are talking about it. You're getting close to the one-day minimum. Yeah, you're right there on it. So do we bounce here? The intraday, oh, this is the intraday low. So I guess we got a little room to end of day. So never mind, disregard. Bought a Model X, nice. Yikes. Nice work, Defra Bates. It's been a struggle today. Just not a lot of movement yet. Gosh, it's 2 o'clock. Yeah, well, we played SMX. Yep, played SMX. human is lying. Not a good sign. TGL gonna break and curl? I don't know. Yearly autos down 3.5%. Thank you, Buzz. Watching this 5-minute 680 level. MGRT. Okay. $2 spread. Bitcoin. What's it doing? That's what I'm saying, man. And the crazy thing is, you just look at the volume, right? This much volume got it up, and then it just kind of like can come down on no volume, and then keep coming down on no volume. I'd keep my eye on this Tesla. This market ever turns up. I look bullish.
I wonder if old Tom still thinks Ethereum's going to 7,000 before the end of the year.
Anyway, ever check in on him? Lots of trees in Bitcoin. Secretary General affirms the UN's position on the need for member states to respect international law. FBI Director Dan Bongino plans to step down early next year, escorting ships. I didn't see that headline. This is a tough trader. I'm gonna call it here. This day is freaking dead. It's $400 a day. Oh my gosh. Another day of December where I went down $2,000 plus. Came back. Sick of this shit. Soon as I log off, and also I would like to point out that every time I log off this month, something juices immediately afterwards. And you guys are like blowing up Discord. My DMs are blowing up. And it's insane. I will later, I forgot to do it on stream, but I meant to. I will go through the clips of today. We are starting today. Whoever I decided to retweet out or put on my TikTok, YouTube pages, they're getting $5. They're getting $5. If there's no one, then no one gets $5. $5 or a gifted sub. MSOX went crazy yesterday. I know, right? So anyway, we'll be back at it tomorrow. Still red on the week after yesterday's 3K loss, but this will somewhat help. Anyway, peace out, everybody.